I have a new suggestion from my dear friend Elena. Elena wanted me to listen the new video from Alisa Supronova. She shared a new version of Russian Forest and I'm so curious about it. We listened the old version together. It was very cool and rock performance. And I'm curious about this new version. The thumbnail is looking very cool, by the way. This animated thumbnail, like it looking like an animation. Very cool, very beautiful, very cool art on this thumbnail. And we are gonna watch this video as always from Alisa Supronova YouTube channel. Thank you, Alisa, for this video, and let's start. I'm curious about if this is gonna be another a rock version. I think it started like a rock, right? Yeah. Before of this video, I've listened the old one, so I remember it perfectly. What a beautiful palace behind of her. Palace or maybe cathedral, I'm not sure. It is looking gorgeous.
Дымное небо стеной отгрохотала беда. Стихли пожары и под золой стонет родная земля.
Yeah, this is sound insane. Very beautiful.
Робкая трясала я. Еще без листвы и теней терпит родная земля. Душно еще без листвы и теней терпит родная земля. Пусть зашуршит листвой, свежею и живой, зашелестит в рассветной тиши лес молодой.
Her necklace is looking very beautiful. So cool! You are so cool, Alisa. And yes, it is sounding similar with the old one, old version, with new, beautiful, updated video. And when I starting the video, I forget to celebrate your Russian Day, my friends. Alisa Supronova shared this song for Russian Days, celebrating Russian Days. Congratulations, my friends. I celebrate your Russian Days. And okay, we can continue. We can continue to listen, Alisa. Let's continue. Ooh, very cool guitar. Her necklace representing different beliefs, right? And she respects all of them, if I understand it correctly.
Место добру есть в душе. Будь благодарен отчизне родной. Мир сохрани на земле. Пусть закачает листвой, сине касаясь небес. Ради добра и с чистой душой тобой возрожденный лес. Ради добра и с чистой душой тобой возрожденный лес. Пусть зашуршит листвой, свежею и живой, зашелестит в рассветной тиши лес молодой. Русскому лесу быть, русскому лесу жить, тянутся ветки в небесную высь, вдохни русский лес, жизнь.
Amazing. You are amazing, Alisa. And she's very cool. With that beautiful red hair. Woo. 1782. Ooh.
Пусть зашуршит листвой, свежею и живой, зашелестит в рассветной тиши лес молодой. Русскому лесу быть, русскому лесу жить,
Life of the Russian Forest. This video is so cool, my friends, and this song is so beautiful. Very cool tempo, very beautiful music, and of course, Alisa Supronova's very cool song, very cool voice. I love to listen rock songs from Alisa Supronova. Maybe I said the same thing when I listened the old version. I've not watched my reaction. I generally don't watch my own videos. I watch only Alisa Supronova's singing performance, but maybe I said something like that because she's sounding so cool while singing rock songs. This is another very cool video, my friends. And in the video, I think there were historical places. I couldn't understand. I can't read Russian words, but I think she visited historical and important places for Russian history. And they were looking like from 18th century. Very old places, very historical places, and I'm sure that they are very important places. Alisa Supronova, this is her new version of Russian Forest, and it is sounding another very beautiful performance. Thank you, Elena, for this beautiful suggestion. Thank you, my friends, for watching it together with me, and of course, thank you, Alisa, for sharing this new version. It's very delicious, beautiful new version. Thank you for watching it together with me, my friends. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.